This is a second tutorial on word shortcuts. So first Ctrl+Shift+H. To understand Ctrl+Shift+H, it is important to understand changes that we made in the document. So I am selecting track changes option for understanding hiding of text by using Ctrl+Shift+H. So I am selecting the text and I am clicking on Ctrl+Shift+H. Now I can clearly see here that the selected text is hidden by the user king. Now I cannot see the text here because it is hidden. Now what I am doing? I am rejecting the change. Okay. When I reject the change, the text that is hidden is displayed. That is the use of Ctrl+Shift+H. The selected text will be hidden by using the shortcut. Now moving to the next shortcut. Okay, I am checking it one more time. Now I am moving on to the next shortcut, that is Ctrl+Shift+J. So this is justification of selected text. The selected text will be adjusted automatically to all the space available in that particular line. You can see here the selected text expanded to all the space available in that column. This is not single column page, we have multiple columns, so whatever space available in that column, the text got adjusted to end of the column. This is the use of Ctrl+Shift+J shortcut, justification of selected text for the particular line. Now coming to the next one, Ctrl+Shift+K, change case, uppercase lowercase conversion will be done. Change case is the option that can be applied by using Ctrl+Shift+K combination. Okay, Ctrl+Shift+L. Now I am selecting the text. It gives bullet. Ctrl+Shift+L will give bullet to the selected text. Now I am undoing it again and I am applying that again. Ctrl+Shift+L. Bullet can be applied directly by using this shortcut. Now the next shortcut is Ctrl+Shift+M. Indentation. You can clearly see on the top right. Indent is adjusted. Left indent is given on the downside and first line indent is given on the top. Now as it is adjusted, if I click the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+M, it goes back to its previous position. Now you see it went back because I use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+M. Indented text will be unindented by using this combination. Next, Ctrl+O. This is for opening research box. It will also display options related to translation. You can search for meanings, synonyms, antonyms and different other information about a particular word by using the combination. Last shortcut for the tutorial, that is Ctrl+Shift+P. So font dialog box will be displayed by using the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+P.